Hi everyone. In today's video, we will be learning how to convert from infix to prefix and to postfix. So let's start with a little bit of review. Infix is our, everyday math expressions. For example, 3 plus 4 times 5 minus parentheses 5 minus 2. Prefix places each operator before the operands. So in prefix, this expression is plus 3 times 4 minus 5, 2. Postfix places each operator after the operands. So this expression becomes 3, 4, 5, 2 minus times plus. And notice how there are no parentheses in infix and postfix. All right, prefix and postfix, because as we remember, prefix and postfix, you just go from left to right. So how do we get to these, how do we know that 3 plus 4 times 5 minus 2 in parentheses becomes plus 3 times 4 minus 5, 2 in prefix? That's what we're learning in today's video. So just a little note that when you're converting, the order of operations, the order of operands, so the order of the numbers must remain the same as the original expression. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 becomes 1, 2 plus 3 plus in postfix. Even though 1, 3 plus 2 plus is the same, gets you the same answer, when you're converting, the order of the numbers must be the same. Okay, so let's get started in translating from infix to prefix to postfix. So what you do for infix to prefix is you find out the order each operation is done in PEMDAS. Then you put the operator in front of each pair of operands, making sure to keep the order. So an example is this. You have 3 plus 2 times 4. You find out the order. So 2 times 4 comes first. And then you put the times in front of the two numbers. And then you have 3 plus this. And this group of parentheses is considered a singular operand. So it'd become plus 3 times 2, 4. And then you can actually just remove all of these parentheses because in prefix and postfix, you don't need them. The parentheses were kind of just to show our work, and so we are not lost. Okay. Now, infix to postfix is basically the same thing, right? Except instead of putting the operator after the two numbers or two operands, you put it after instead of before, right? So instead of putting it before like prefix, you put it after. Let's see. Converting from prefix back to infix or postfix back to infix is also not that difficult. You simply go right. It's kind of like solving. So you see, okay, does plus have two numbers right after it? Nope. Does times? Yes, it does. So then you change this to plus 3, 2 times 4. And then it becomes 3 plus 2 times 4. And in this case, you can actually remove these parentheses, but sometimes you can't. So you have to make sure if you want to remove parentheses, you have to make sure, for infix, if you want to remove parentheses, make sure that the order of operations is still the same when you remove parentheses. In prefix and postfix, you can remove all the parentheses you want, and it will be the same. Okay. Now let's do some example problems. So if you want, you can pause the video and take some time to work on it. And when you're done, unpause. Okay, so I'll show the solution now. It's like this. Okay. So that is the end of this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.